In this tutorial, we'll show you how to modify your shopping list. You can easily edit any list to add or remove items. First, start in the planner and select the meal plan you'd like to edit by using the Recents button. Click on the List tab to access the list for the plan. To remove an item, simply click the checkmark box beside the ingredient you'd like to remove. A green checkmark will appear. When you export a list, any items you have checked off will not be included on your export. For example, let's say your list calls for 2 cups of blueberries, but you would rather it says 2 cartons of blueberries. You would first check off the blueberries measured in cups. Then, at the bottom of that category, select Add Item. From here, enter the quantity, the unit of measure, and the name of the item. Click Add Item when you are finished. The item that has a checkmark beside it will not be shown on your PDF export. You can also add any ingredient to a list. For example, let's say I want my client to purchase a specific brand of protein powder. I can add this to their list without modifying any of the recipes. Click on the Add Item option at the bottom of the category you'd like to add it to. Enter the quantity, the unit of measure, and the name of the item. From there, click Add Item. Lastly, if you'd like to better understand how specific items in your lists relate to your plans, you can view the insights of each item. When you're looking at your lists, click on the item in question. For example, let's say I want to know why my shopping list calls for so many eggs. When I select eggs, I can see all of the recipes and the quantity of eggs that each recipe calls for. Click on any recipe listed to easily view or edit it directly from within your planner. Here, you can modify the servings, the portions, or even remove it from your planner entirely. And that's how easy it is to modify your shopping list.